Hello, I'm Kishan Joshi, and I'm going to talk about the product life cycle in Odoo. So, what is the product life cycle basically means? So, let's understand with the screen sharing. Let's understand with the screen sharing, and I'm sharing my entire screen. So, let's search for the product life cycle. Product life cycle. So, what basically product life cycle means? Images. So, what is that? Product life cycle. If you see the image, I don't know, I'm just exploring maturity, growth, all this stuff. So if you see the launch of the product market fit, life cycle, but here we are looking for the product life cycle in terms of purchase, manufacture, quality check, repair, etc. Okay. So if you see, so this is the one image I can refer from the LinkedIn, most probably. So there are multiple questions. EVT, DVT, and lot of things are mentioned. Engineer verification test. Can we build this several units? So the concept of product, then EVT, then DVT, then PVT, then MP. What does this all mean? If you see the product concept, the concept of the product, how the product is basically behaving, what is the project, what is the specific feature about the product, and what is the feasibility study, basic studies. Then the design verification stage, engineer verification stage, lot of stages are there, mass productions, end of life, and all this stuff, shelf life management, all this stuff. So let's dig deeper. It's a product life cycle, PLM, product life cycle management. So what is product life cycle? The term product life cycle management describes the cyclic stages of product from conception through retirement after conception, development, and launches. PLM combines the organizational visions or managing and carrying the comprehensive planning. So this is all the product life cycle. We are going to look at the product life cycle in Odoo. For that, what we are going to do is we are aligning the chat GPT, the what we can do with the chat GPT to the product. So basically, we are going to look at basically the procurement process of the product, sales process of the product, production of the product, quality check after sales services. So how product is to, so first we create the product in the Odoo, and then what actually happened with it. If we create the product with the Odoo, what actually happened with it? It's like there's a multiple features, and according to the features, they are managed their life cycle, managed with their life cycle. So purchase, let's say in our company, we are purchasing certain things and we are selling certain things. So we are purchasing the 10 different items. Some vendors are involved, some suppliers are involved into it, some transportation mechanisms are involved, and we have to taste the product when it comes to the factory. So, so qualities are very important. Quality check is super important. Then, uh, then, then we first procure the material, raw material, procure the raw material, multiple materials, and we combine together, we assemble together, and then put it in a cycle. Let's say we are the company who makes the watches, or we are the company who makes the HPLC machine, or we are the company who makes the bike, then the gear of the bike, then the silencer of the bike, Then the mileage producing things are on the bike, the tank on the bike. So all should be assembled together. Seats should be assembled together. So we procure all the materials from the uh, vendor, and then our goal is to sell to the customer and also provide the after sale services. So if we consider the bike as a material, so let's first understand what is the, let's say we are add the component of, what are the component of bike. A bicycle or a bike is made of the multiple component. Let's say frame, fork, headset, the seat post, saddle, rims, tires, hubs, spokes, inner motor kits. All this 10 most important component of car. Let's say we are doing the car manufacturing or car assembly. So engine, trunk, gearbox, wheel, tire, braking system, and a suspension system, fuel system, electrical system, engine controls unit, and driver train. We can make all the products. Let's first understand and dig deeper into the. So these are the functional workflow and module involved into the mm, our research. Key Odoo configuration before operations. We are going to perform the 50 functional steps. Before that, first we create the product, and for that, what we gonna do is we make the, so this is the product life cycle, and it's a, it's a product life cycle, product life cycle. So product life cycle and ET. That's the product life cycle. So it starts with the product. So product is needed first. Product is needed first. So we will keep the product first approach. Let's understand it. Let's have the product first. So what component of the, what the product, what are the products we are gonna look at? So we will build some products first on the Odoo. We what, where we do these things. Product life cycle in product life cycle where in Odoo. Product life cycle in Odoo. What we are gonna look at. It's simple. It's super simple. Okay. Let's make it more. So your product life cycle in Odoo. That's what we are gonna look at. Our goal is this. Now, in Odoo, what we are gonna do is product life cycle in Odoo. In Odoo software, What we are going to look at is product life cycle. And here are certain stages. Here we are using the Odoo, some product. So what we are going to do is we gonna look at products purchase, raw material gathering. There are certain products we are gather the raw material gathering. Raw material, and then what the second step we can do is receiving the product, setting the vendor, then receiving the product. Now each stage we can cover receiving the product and receiving the product involve multiple stage. Different routes of receiving the product. Different routes of receiving the product. One step, two step, three step. How we can receive the product? Well, I don't know the spelling is right or not. So let's open the chat GPT and reframe it. Various method to product receive. Okay, basically this looks good. Alternate product receiving methods. Alternate product receiving methods. Routes. Alternate product receiving routes. Then after we receive the product, we has certain components, and on the basis of the component, we started the manufacturing process. This quality steps is also applied. Quality steps are involved. Quality steps are involved. Okay. So to solve the life cycle of alternate product receiving route. So as per the so when we basically use the quality check, we can use quality check on the receipt. We can use quality check on during the manufacturing. We can use the quality check in a different routes. So the endless quality checks. Every steps we can when we purchase the raw material, we do the quality check. Vendor assignment is there, the quality check is there, all this stuff. Then manufacture the product, manufacture the product. That's also the great step. Manufacture the product. Different operations, different warehouse related configurations, different assembly line, work centers, all these stuffs are involved here. So manufacturing involves a lot of things. We will cover little bit. Then we're gonna sell the product. Then sell the product. Sell the product. This is the one part. And then what we can do is we can focus on after sale services. Basically repair and all this stuff. And if you see, it all are dependent. It's not look like a cycle, but it is still cycle. Why it's still cycle? Because product. If we gather the raw material, then we gather the if we gather the raw material, then we put make the manufacturing, we make the product. This is a one cycle route, cyclic route. If we receive the product and during the time of receiving, if we set up the quality step or alternate product receiving route, uh, through we receive the product with alternate product receiving route and the product quantity increase. So basically this one. So product quantity increases. Product quantity increases. So again it's a one cycle. Then if we think about the sell product, when we sell the product, we have to somehow purchase the product. If we the MTOs is sell and if we sell and if we provide the after sell services, so basically the sell increasing the receiving of the product. receive the product, sell product, or receive or manufacture it. This is also the connected route. In both the cases, the number of product increases. And after sale services, this is included in the life cycle. If we sell the services after sale services, it directly increase the customer satisfaction and sales of the product. We can uh, create a product. So, so this is the whole process. This is the very basic idea about the life cycle within the any life cycle of the any product. Now, what we are gonna do is we are gonna look at the process and how to configure each step uh, into the product, into the Odoo product, into the Odoo product module. So let's navigate to the Odoo, and I will gonna make a trial DB. So let's start. It's free. Let's open it. I will take sales module, then purchase module. Let's take where is the purchase? There's inventory module, manufacturing module is there, purchase module is there, repair module is there, quality module is there. It's all the part of the supply chain. And the name of the database, name of mine is Kishan Joshi. Company name is productlifecycle.com. Productlifecycle.com. Good. Email, I will put my work email 5 and my mobile number, and I will start now. And when we start now, the Odoo starts working. Or the one platform you will ever need to transform your activities. So Odoo is basically starting their work. So Odoo starts working. Well, I'm waiting. Okay. So I'm doing the pending activation. Let's activate the email ID first. So let me activate the email ID first. Most probably in a Gmail, we can look at active productlifecycle.com. Click to activate. Skip this processes and let's go to the product lifecycle. And for I got the 15-day trial period. Now, to demonstrate it, I would like to add the demo data. For to add the demo data, activate the developer mode and then load demo data. Yeah,